Today we're going to take a look at the CCZ Harmony Headphones. If the company doesn't spend a lot of money for advertising, the most likely they have a great product, but not exposure for the people. I was listening with my helmet also, but for the helmet it's going to be compressed a little bit. You're going to be surprised how much bass. Hey guys, Mike is back with another video. Today we're going to take a look at the CCZ Harmony Headphones, right? This is the high-res audio resolution for very affordable price. So let's take a look. In my channel, I did so many videos, audio equipments, right? This from the speakers, car audio subwoofers, home audio subwoofers, comparing expensive versus cheap all the time. And every single time when I do the review, I'm like surprised how this thing goes, right? A lot of times, a small name, not the big brand, like small name, the product, it sounds quality-wise, or just the price for the product is like crazy. If the company doesn't spend a lot of money for advertising, the most likely they have a great products, but not exposure for the people, right? So this is another product. The company sent it to me, like thousands of emails, all the companies are sending, but I automatically reply them. Everything's gonna be 100%. I'm not reading any script on my videos, right? Let's back to that unit. So when I received it, it was laying around all over the place. And the one day I just connect to my high-res audio player. This is high-res audio player. I was comparing this unit for $1,000 Sony high-res from Crutchfield. I put the links in the description, so you're gonna see the difference. This preamp, it's gonna be the loudest and the most cleanest. And when you play the equalizer, also it's like a very good sounding for the price, right? There is no hissing sound. Only thing you're gonna find out is the unit is not good when you connect to them. Pro audio testing equipment, you're never gonna hear those difference. But that testing equipment is gonna say actually it's audio, its price comparison with $1,000 a unit, it's gonna be maybe developing some kind of low noise. All right. So when I connect to this device for the first time for my phone, I was surprised at how the sound quality, because I did a tons of this is whatever's laying around, right? I have tons of headphones. I did the most expensive headphones, cheap, expensive. I did all the headphone amplifiers. But when I get this connect to my phone, I was just surprised how it's comfortable. First, that sits on your ear, and how much this unit it's produced the bass. And I'm gonna put some close-up shots for you guys, so you're gonna see they using two drivers, like two-way speakers. One driver is gonna go to the bass and the mid, and another driver is gonna take just the tweeters, the highs, right? That's why you're gonna see most details. You're gonna hear the most detailed audio from these the units, and you're gonna be surprised. I have a bunch of different headphones, expensive ones, like 4 times more money for this unit, but the sound quality is not even close. The music I'm playing right now, I wish I can play for you guys, right? Actually, you can hear it. But the previous music, it was 3022 kilobytes per second music, right? It's 96 hertz high-res audios. I have a lot of high-res audio music. When I'm testing the product, I play the side by side, and I'm gonna put the close-up shots for this unit. And I'm very surprised how these guys, for that price, can offer the sound quality. You're gonna be surprised how great that. I thought I'm not gonna bring to my channel, because every single video you watch all the videos on my channel, I was saying, if you want to hear the sound difference, whatever equipment I'm recording with the high definition recorders, right? So I'm asking you guys to use the headphones, and this is a headphone I can suggest. You're not gonna spend how much. These ones are dirt cheap headphones, right? It's not that they're cheap, but it's a lot cheaper than any headphones I did in the previous videos. Any had half price for any Apple headphones. I put the links in the description, right? So you're gonna be surprised how much bass, how loud this guys gets, and how comfortable it sits on your ear. And you can just put it here, and that's it. So it's a lot of basses going on now. So you're gonna put it like this, all right? It sits there. I was listening with my helmet also, but for the helmet, it's gonna be compressed a little bit, but it sits very nice. As soon as you add this headphones, you're gonna surprise like how much the audio quality it's gonna be. And this is my microphone right now, so I'm gonna give you even the 50%. I'm not listening even the 50%. Usually I listen 30%. Hopefully you can hear the difference, right? With the audio. Oh, this is a copyright issue, so we cannot play too much the music. So it's another product for the best price without the banging the money, without paying tons of money for the advertising, all the campaigns that they're running. If you want the good quality unit for the cheap price, I always say on my the videos, guys, you can buy this, you can skip this, you can buy this, you can skip this. This is one of the great product for the price. Hope this video helps you guys. If you're interested to compare this unit, or if you want to buy something different and you want me to compare one of these products, definitely comment below. I will make the comparison video and I will upload that. Hope this video helps you guys. I'm out also in the next video.